so many girls will relate to, because all the girls keep asking me, "Oh, can you make me meet someone? Meet someone." I'm like, I have to meet someone to make you meet someone. So I think all of us are in the same boat. Dating is really hard.
बिकॉज औरत आदमी से नीचे ही है, एक कदम नीचे है, हर चीज में नीचे है, ऐसा हमारी सोसाइटी के 99% लोग मानते हैं. आई हैव हर्ड इट सो मेनी टाइम्स फ्रॉम माई विमेन फ्रेंड्स कि ये तो माई हस्बैंड इज आउट ना, सो अब तो कुछ भी बना के खा लेते हैं. जब आदमी होता है ना, फिर सब कुछ प्रॉपर होना पड़ता है. दिस इज वॉट इट इज.
Hi guys, this is Ankita. You are tuned into peepingmoon.com, not Peeping Tom, as Neena ma'am wants to refer it for today. Today we have with us Neena Gupta, Masaba Gupta, and Neil Gopalan. Hello everyone.
Hello.
Hi. Hello,
Hi.
Ankita.
Hi. Masaba, straight up to you. You were one hot mess. Should we conclude it, or should we start it with that?
Oh, I think you should start it with that, because this is just the beginning. There's so much more to unfold and unravel, hopefully, over time. So, yeah.
This for all three of you, especially Masaba and Neena ma'am. The series synopsis says that it's a fictional peek into the fashion and films of life of Masaba and Neena. Where do you guys actually realize that it's time to draw a line between how much fictionalized version one should be seeing as an audience, or you want to just break all barriers and show almost every aspect of your life?
I think there was a very clear understanding. I think mom on her own and me individually had a very clear understanding that there are certain things that we will share all the way, and there are certain things that we won't share at all. So I think that was something that was understood right at the scripting stage of things. But at the same time, I think we didn't want to go into this series with fear that, oh, agar hum ye bolenge, to how will we be construed? How will people perceive it, etc.? How will people view us? Because this series requires a certain amount of vulnerability, is what I see. So yeah, it's vulnerable. It's out there. It's honest. It's real at every level. But at the same time, it's also got a huge chunk which is fiction. And I think that we leave to the viewers' discretion, what they find that they can identify themselves with, the reality or the fiction, and which is what. I think that is the best part.
What's your take on this, Neena ma'am? When you first got the idea of Masaba, आपको fiction और reality के बीच में, you also had the same opinion that it has to have a certain line.
Yeah, we both, like Masaba said, we both knew. We even didn't have to say. It just happened because of what we talked to the writers and the director being there. They, I think, understood which way we want to go. And a very important thing is because हम मसाबा के ऊपर बना रहे हैं और मसाबा एक्टिंग कर रही है और मैं भी एक्टिंग कर रही हूँ, तो ऐसा नहीं है कि हम ऐसी चीज बना रहे हैं कि मसाबा इतनी अच्छी लड़की है, उसके साथ सब अच्छा ही करती है, जिंदगी में बड़ी है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. यू नो, उसके जिंदगी में गलतियां भी करती है, ये सब हमने रखा है, इसीलिए इट विल बिकम मोर रिलेटेबल and people will identify, especially young girls will identify with it. And even as my character is concerned, like trailer देख के सब लोग बोल रहे थे कि मैम वो जो आपका वो झगड़े का सीन था ना, बिल्कुल मेरी मम्मी ऐसे ही करती है, मेरी मम्मी और मैं ऐसे ही. So this is the point of making this, you know.
Neil, where do you fit in this, fiction or reality?
बेचारा आदमी है ये इसमें. Sorry, Neil. He can't hear you.
Oh, I mute में था. Sorry.
Oh, he hasn't heard me. Thank God.
No, I
heard you.
I
My he was on me.
That's where I fit in. I fit in. No, but I'm just happy to be part of the cast, and I'd like to thank my parents, and I'd like to thank God. That's the wrong speech. I want. I'm just really happy to be part of this. I'm Dhairya. I'm not playing Neil Bhupalam. It's hard to know yourself, which is why I think hats off to Nina ji and Masaba to play a fictionalized version of yourself. But I'm purely fiction. Dhairya is the part I play in Masaba.
Masaba, Nina ma'am, when this first came to you, Masaba on table, at least for you, Masaba, was it ever a doubt that you want to play yourself? Was there an apprehension because you are not an actress per se? We have always seen you as this designer. Was there a fear to face the camera and ever a moment that someone else can do my part? Nina ma'am is there, but my part can be done by someone else.
No, actually, because when the series came to me, the whole premise of it was that I should be playing myself, because if it would be another actor playing my role or my part, it would easily become a biopic of sorts, which we're not trying to do. And also, I think it's too soon for a biopic on me. I still have lots to achieve. So definitely, I mean, I thought that I should be playing myself because one, it will be the most authentic version of me. Two, I will be lending my own voice to it, which is actually super important to the series. And I think that thought never even crossed our mind, and I think it would have been shelved if it wasn't for me playing me and mom playing herself. Definitely.
Nina ma'am, rate Masaba on the scale of actress 0 to 10, please. I would love to know, and I think so would fans, because I was reading the comment on the trailer and everyone wanted to know what Nina ma'am actually thinks how Masaba has acted or played herself. So please give us a rating for Masaba now.
मुझे लग रहा है देना नहीं चाहिए क्योंकि कुछ ज़्यादा ही अच्छा दे दूंगी तो लोगों की एक्सपेक्टेशन बढ़ जाएंगी but I want to say I was very surprised because it's the first time she's acting, and I'll give her 9 on 10.
That's
not because
nice.
she's my daughter, because I really liked the way she has acted in this series.
Ma'am, I'll take the further question from you. अभी तक हमने आपको इतने सालों से, before we had the बधाई हो phase of yours, we had you in strong supporting roles, maybe some even negative. And after बधाई हो, you are this small town mom which everyone relates to. I think every person has an example to relate to you. And then we of course saw in the Masaba trailer. आपको ऐसा तो नहीं लगता आपकी पहले जो image थी, उस image के बाद now this is another fixture for you. Now you are this new mom for us. If we have to have a small town mother, we go to you. And even in the trailer, we have that glimpse. Do you think this is a new tag which is following you?
Yeah, but it's okay. I have been wanting this tag for a long time, for many, many years. It never happened. So, because a lot of good roles are written for this kind of mom. क्योंकि हमारी सोसाइटी में यही मॉम है ना जो फैशनेबल मॉडर्न टाइप तो बहुत कम है, उनसे कोई रिलेट भी नहीं करता है. सो आई वांटेड दिस टैग बट बिकॉज ऑफ माय पर्सनल इमेज ऑफ फैशनेबल दिस दैट, लाइक right now you can't imagine me doing बधाई हो, you know what I mean to say.
Exactly.
So but on the other hand I am getting some very interesting scripts to work, very interesting, so I'm very happy about it and I don't mind this tag at all. I mean I can do Masaba, I can do Panchayat also, no? So
yeah, I get it. Neil, what are you doing in this women's world where I luckily got to see the first 2 episodes? They're running the show. So you tell me, what are you doing there?
I'm
not
trying
going to
look
spill
cool.
any spoilers.
I'm just trying to look cool and make sure that people don't know me, realize कि ये तो imposter है, ये क्या कर रहा है यहाँ पे, क्यों है?
अच्छा, I want to say something, Neil. I want to say something to you. जब से आज हमने शुरू किया है ये चारों तीन औरतें, मोस्टली जर्नलिस्ट भी औरतें और तुम बीच में एक आदमी, जिंदगी में मैं बहुत सारे, तब तो ऐसा नहीं होता था ना वर्चुअल, मतलब तब इंटरव्यूज वैसे जाके होते थे, मैं बहुत सारे ऐसे इंटरव्यूज में बैठी हूँ टिल आई थिंक ईयर एंड हाफ अगो, ओके, वेयर मैं बैठी हूँ क्योंकि मेरा रोल बड़ा छोटा सा था, कुछ था नहीं और कोई मुझसे ना क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा है मैं बैठी हूँ धीरे धीरे बैठी हूँ चुप करके, कोई मुझसे पूछे तो मुझे तुम्हें देख के वही लग रहा है आज. सॉरी.
जी, सेम ही है, but at least
Ma'am,
एक तो
intention नहीं है.
I am watching you and I am feeling, I am seeing me for centuries being there. जिसमें
It's true.
हाँ, so much I have done like this, huh? But we are still better. We are still
Yes,
asking you questions.
yes. But in final program में they'll edit me out. Don't worry, man.
अब वो तो होता
My
है.
next question is
वो तो होता है.
टीना जी.
हाँ, sorry, but वो तो होगा. वो तो होता ही है. Yeah. So
Masaba-
enjoy. That's why.
Okay, so sorry, ma'am, I'm cutting.
मैं सिर्फ ये कह रही हूँ.
Masaba-
That's why we are entertaining you, so you don't get bored.
Thank you very much.
Masaba, since the trailer came out, there was a certain section online where the voices were like, as how they write about the trailer. It's a strong female-centric story, female-driven story, female character story. Don't you think we have just too much of an extra focus on female in question here? It's a good story we are telling. It's ultimately a story of an individual, her aspirations, her dreams, her struggles. And I think this question even applies to, I can get Neil on this one, that don't we just consider too much of a gender on any story?
One second, who
so
said
the way
it?
I see it
Who
is,
said it? One second,
ma'am,
it's
on
from
the
audience.
comments, ma'am.
In the
हाँ.
comments. अच्छा. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
देखो कैसे
the
बोल
way
रही
I
है.
see it, the way I see it is that, the minute you have women on screen having fun, it's automatically considered a frivolous. Oh, this is just a frivolous story about something, and people don't like watching women having fun. People want to only watch women either being like, harassed by in-laws. They enjoy that. They want to see women being, thrown out of a job in a corporate setup. They enjoy seeing the woman as the poor thing, The minute there's a woman having fun, it instantly becomes, अरे ये तो पता नहीं क्या, कुछ ऐसे ही बनाया, मजे के लिए बनाया. No, but guys, women having fun is a big thing today. And I think that's why the word strong comes right after that, because somehow women who have fun are strong and the ones who don't are not. And this is the problem with our society. The minute there are women who are just going out there, living their life, they are strong, independent women. The minute there are women who are sitting at home and taking care of a family, which I think is as hard and as time consuming a job as any other, maybe more, they are considered as ye to gharelu type of family type hai. You know what I mean? So I think that gender bias has been in our industry for so long, and maybe even in the West, and I think it'll continue to be like that for at least many, many years to come, because we, in our own households, in our own heads, in our families' heads, in our friends' heads, in their households, you will see that this discrimination occurs time and again. And it's not going anywhere, the way I see it.
Neena ma'am, Neil, what's your take on this?
नील, आप बताइए.
जी. On the take of, can you sum it up again, please?
Neil, I'll do a broader one for you also, including the male counterpart, because whenever we have a female-centric character, just a female artist playing a centric character, we automatically say, it's a female-led, it's a female moving around, series.
Yeah.
Why do we have to consider any work of art or a project around a gender? Because when it comes to male actors also, there is a certain presumption that big screen pe sirf, only male actors will play the machoist or maybe the strong roles. Why do we have gender in good stories? Why everything has to be gender-centric?
Ma'am, this is a very good point, and it's something which is always there. Now, my views on this is that whenever something has been made which is not something we've not seen for the past maybe 20-30 years, in trying to present that, then there's a certain team that is involved. There's a marketing team, there's a sales team that is involved in it as a think tank into how to sell our story and get people to watch it. Then any excuse, apart from it just being a good story and a well-made story, they will add a few things. So it's also it's not just the consumer's responsibility, it is how something is sold also. Um, so the makers themselves have a certain responsibility. And I'm not too fussed. I don't think, even if this is how it is, ऐसा नहीं है कि we have to follow it to the T. If people are saying कि इसमें इस तरह की खूबी है, okay, that's cool. I mean, it wasn't made intentionally only to project one particular thing, but if that's how you see it, kudos and thanks for the comment. But there's much more to it, and I think just the hotness of selling a story which is it's appealing, that it's just a woman-centric thing. But I don't think we should take everything with a pinch of salt. Sometimes a bag of salt also. It's okay. Let people say what they want to say and how they
Neena
want to.
Anything from you?
I feel this is how our society is, and that is why all these reactions come. Because औरत आदमी से नीचे ही है, एक कदम नीचे है, हर चीज में नीचे है, ऐसा हमारी सोसाइटी के 99% लोग मानते हैं. हम आप जो 1% में आते हैं वो नहीं मानते, वो अलग प्रकार के, पर वो हम 1% से भी शायद कम है. सो सोसाइटी ऐसी है, इसीलिए औरत प्रधान जो भी चीज़ बनेगी उसको ऐसे ही देखेंगे कि नहीं, क्योंकि हमारी सोसाइटी ऐसी है. जीवन में भी, हमारे घरों में भी आदमी इज मेन थिंग ना. देखो, एक बड़ी इंटरेस्टिंग बात मैं सुनती हूँ बहुत बार, बहुत औरतों से, बहुत मेरी फ्रेंड्स से भी, एजुकेटेड मॉडर्न फ्रेंड्स से भी, कि हस्बैंड बाहर है ना तो अब तो इसलिए खाना वैसा ही बनता है, जब आदमी होता है ना तो फिर प्रॉपर खाना बनता है घर में. दिस इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. आई हैव हर्ड इट सो मेनी टाइम्स फ्रॉम माई विमेन फ्रेंड्स कि ये तो माई हस्बैंड इज आउट ना, सो अब तो कुछ भी बना के खा लेते हैं. जब आदमी होता है ना फिर सब कुछ प्रॉपर होना पड़ता है. दिस इज व्हाट इट इज.
Masaba, I got this very interesting feedback from my very own team in the office. They wanted me to ask you, is Masaba the Indian version for keeping up with Kardashians?
Oh God, not at all. Oof. That is just, like I said, that's the thing. I think people have this misconception that it's a reality show. Keeping up with the Kardashians is, a camera following them around, doing things, etc., etc. There is no room for privacy in that show, This is a scripted series. It is, we are playing, we put on hair, makeup, we sit down, we are given a scenario and we enact it. I don't think that's the format for that show. So I think it's very, very different. And like I said, it's a one of a kind. It's a new show for India. So I can understand the comparison. But please, aisa bilkul nahi hai.
Okay, I'll take the last question from all of you here. There was this very popular hook line, if you don't realize. It has derived multiple memes. In fact, Neena ma'am, आपके आजकल तो बधाई हो के memes करीना सैफ की प्रेगनेंसी में ज़्यादा पॉपुलर है. मतलब you and Gajraj sir are anyhow making that race.
Yeah.
But Masaba, yours is getting a lot of popularity. छींक मारो लड़कों की लाइन लग जाएगी. Please, I'll close my case with this. Explain me this one. What is this? It's all over. I remember while writing the trailer, my editor gave me that as a headline. I'm like, no.
No, but the thing is that people think that, like everyone used to ask me, because I'm not somebody who's been like a serial dater. I've had like very few relationships or whatever. And everybody thinks that the minute you're a slightly public person, there are people waiting from Bombay to Goa to just date you. They think that there's a truck of people coming to just say, please date me, please marry me. Aisa bilkul nahi hai. And that is why we thought we should put this line in the series, because it's just this view that people have about you. When you're a public person, they're like, oh, but you too must be getting this and that. I mean, and you'll see the rest of that scene also, which is even funnier. But it's just that you get these random requests sometimes, and most of the people that reach out to you are really shady. So that's the way it is, and I think that's the reality that so many girls will relate to, because all the girls keep asking me, "Oh, can you make me meet someone? Meet someone." I'm like, I have to meet someone to make you meet someone. So I think all of us are in the same boat. Dating is really hard, and that's also one of the areas we explore in the show. So yeah, that's how it happened.
So well, thank you so much, everyone. Masaba, from your closing line, as it say in the trailer, that Masaba South Africa में कोई country नहीं है. It's your own print. So
Correct.
Amazing. Amazing.
I
That
would-
line is amazing.
I have experienced it. I won't lie. Please, I'll charge myself guilty. We used to go out in college and buy those prints as Masaba print. है क्या?
Exactly.
Because-
Yeah,
It
it
Yeah,
actually
yeah.
happened.
Fantastic.
It has, because at that time I can vividly say it on record. The prints of those nature were not at all the cool thing per se available by anyone else.
Yeah.
So from all the cow prints to lock and key to everything, I think we have
Everything.
all gone through that phase.
Yeah, baat hai.
Yeah. I know. Yeah.
Well, I should
But
say thank you
great.
or not for
And we just hope that
popularizing
the
it.
series, there is so much in your life, because all the life you have always addressed topics, be it from body shaming to body issues to being out there blunt and open. And I hope you have many more seasons to follow up with this one for sure.
Oh, thank
Thank
you
you
so much. Thank you.
Thank you so much for your time. Thank you.
See you.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.